Welcome to SB Review TV, your top source for naval tech and defense reviews. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 review of the ROKS Dae Jo-yeong hull number DDH-977, a Chungmugong Yi Sun-sin-class destroyer of the Republic of Korea Navy. This ship has been in service since the mid-2000s, but recent updates and its continued relevance in the Pacific theater make it a fascinating subject today. From hull to helipad, sensors to sonar, we're covering every inch of this powerful warship. Let's begin with its exterior. The ROKS Dae Jo-yeong features a sleek, stealthy enhanced design with a focus on reducing radar cross-section. Her hull measures 150 meters in length, with a beam of 17.4 meters and a displacement of about 5,500 tons standard, pushing over 6,000 tons when fully loaded. The dark gray paint scheme and sharp, angular superstructure give the ship a modern, almost futuristic look, optimized for low observability. The design borrows heavily from the American Aegis-Class and incorporates lessons from other Western designs. At the bow, the 127mm Mk-45 naval gun sits in a stealthy turret, giving the ship formidable surface strike and shore bombardment capability. Just behind the main gun, you'll find the vertical launch system KVLS that can be loaded with a mix of surface-to-air anti-submarine and land attack missiles. Moving along the sides, the ship is equipped with torpedo launchers and anti-ship missile canisters. The ROK Navy uses the SSM-700K Hwasong missiles, similar in purpose to the US Harpoon, with excellent sea-skimming capability and a range of about 150 kilometers. Toward the stern, the ship houses a helipad and hangar for one medium naval helicopter, typically a Lynx or a W159 Wildcat, both of which are used for anti-submarine warfare and reconnaissance. As we move to the superstructure, notice the masts and sensors. The ship is outfitted with the NSPY-1D radar system, which is part of the Aegis combat system, a powerful multifunction phased array radar capable of tracking hundreds of targets at once. This is a significant boost to the ship's air defense capability. Alongside the radar, the ship also features advanced electronic warfare suites, chaff and flare dispensers, and decoy systems for missile defense. Overall, the exterior of the ROKS Dae Jo-yeong screams versatility, lethality, and stealth. Now let's talk about the interior. While a full interior tour is classified, based on available information and crew interviews, the layout follows a highly efficient and compact design philosophy. The Combat Information Center, or CIC, is the nerve center of the ship. It features multifunctional displays, radar consoles, and fire control systems integrated under the Aegis framework. It's from here that all shipboard operations are monitored and coordinated at defense, surface warfare, electronic warfare, and submarine detection. Crew living quarters are functional but comfortable by naval standards. The ship can carry a complement of around 300 personnel. Officers' cabins are private or semi-private, while enlisted quarters are shared bunk-style compartments. Galley and mess halls are designed to sustain long-duration deployments, and the ship includes recreational areas like gyms and lounges, a crucial factor for morale during extended missions. Moving into engineering, the propulsion system is a combined gas and gas COGAG arrangement. It uses two General Electric LM2500 gas turbines and two Rolls-Royce turbines, delivering a total of about 75,000 shaft horsepower. This enables the ship to reach a top speed of 30 knots, or around 55 kilometers per hour. With a range of over 8,000 nautical miles at cruising speed, that kind of speed and endurance allows the Dae Jo-yeong to keep up with Allied carrier strike groups or perform extended independent patrols in contested waters. In terms of performance, this destroyer excels in multi-role capability. It's well balanced in anti-air, anti-submarine, and anti-surface warfare. In particular, its sonar suite featuring hull-mounted and towed array systems makes it highly capable in sub-hunting roles, especially when paired with an onboard ASW helicopter. The ship's Aegis system allows it to engage multiple airborne threats at once, making it an essential asset in protecting fleet formations. The Dae Jo-yeong also participates frequently in joint drills with the US Navy and other allied forces, reinforcing interoperability and showcasing the ROK Navy's high standards of training and combat readiness. It's a frontline ship in both peacetime presence operations and potential high-intensity conflict scenarios. So, how much does all of this cost? While exact figures are hard to pin down due to classified budgets and procurement variations, each Chungmugong Yi Sun-sin-class destroyer, including the Dae Jo-yeong, is estimated to cost around $500 to $700 million USD. That includes weapons, electronics, and systems integration. For a ship that offers capabilities similar to Western Aegis destroyers but at a slightly lower price point, it represents significant value in modern naval terms. To wrap things up, the ROKS Dae Jo-yeong is a potent and well-rounded destroyer that exemplifies South Korea's growing maritime power. It merges advanced Western technology with indigenous innovation, giving the Republic of Korea Navy a blue water capability that continues to evolve. Whether it's missile defense, anti-submarine patrols, or surface engagements, this ship can do it all and look good doing it. Thanks for watching SB Review TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth military and naval reviews. If there's a ship or system you want us to cover next, drop it in the comments. Until next time, stay safe and stay sharp.